Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll write a JavaScript program that computes the average marks of several students. We'll then use this to determine their overall grade based on a defined grading scale. This example demonstrates arrays, loops, and conditional statements. Let's dive in. We're working with 5 students, each with a mark. Our goal is to calculate the average mark and assign a grade. The grading scale runs from F to A, depending on the average score. Let's look at the JavaScript implementation. An array of students and their marks. A for loop sums the marks, and we divide by the total number of students to get the average. We then use an if-else block to assign a grade. Results are printed using console log. We start by defining an array of students with their marks. We then loop through each student and add their marks. The average is calculated by dividing the total by the number of students. Finally, we use conditional statements to determine the grade and print the results. For example, the marks are 80, 77, 88, 95, and 68. Their average is 81.6, which corresponds to grade B. This demonstrates how the program processes the data and assigns a grade. Calculating averages and assigning grades is essential in education and beyond. The logic can be used in performance reviews, survey analysis, and other data processing tasks. It is also a common interview question to test your knowledge of loops and conditionals. Let's summarize what we've learned. We've built a JavaScript program that calculates the average marks of 5 students and assigns a grade. We've used arrays, loops, and if-else statements to build the solution. This is a great exercise to strengthen your JavaScript skills. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.